Hey my beautiful family, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time you're joining my channel, you're highly welcome. For my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome. Thank you for clicking on today's video and watching. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider clicking on that red subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell while at it so that you will not miss any of my upload. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think about the video, and I will definitely be there in the comment box below to respond to you. Okay, yeah, so in today's video I want to show you guys from scratch how I make my pap. Yeah, ogi in the Yoruba they call it, you know, pap, whichever name you want to call it. So I have in here my corn, I have millet, and I have guinea corn. So I'm going to be combining the three to make my pap. And guys, if you want to learn how to do this, or you want to see everything that I'm going to do in today's video, please make sure to sit back, relax yourself, and let's dive into this video. Okay, so fam, in here I have my corn. I've gone ahead to wash this corn thoroughly. When I said I washed this corn thoroughly, believe me, I washed this corn thoroughly, and I soaked it for like 4 to 5 days. And while I was soaking them, I made sure I was changing the water. I didn't leave the water for like 2 days. Every day I changed the water, and as you can see, this corn is looking absolutely neat. And I have also here my guinea corn, I have my millet, all of them. I soaked them the same time, and I thoroughly washed them. Guys, you need to wash this very well. Remember, there might be small stones under it, so you have to wash it very well. So I'm going to go ahead right now and start blending them, and I'm going to be using my Vitamix blender, which I got previously. If you've not watched that video, guys, make sure you go watch that video. I'm going to be reviewing how strong that blender is. So I'm going to go ahead and start blending it before I will start sieving them, and we will get to see the outcome of this pap. Okay, so guys, I've gone ahead to add the corn, the guinea corn, and the millet into the blender, and watch this blender crush everything like into pieces. Like seriously, I never knew this Vitamix is this good. Yeah, and I see that everything was so smooth, like the way I wanted it. Yeah, so sit back and watch how I'm going to be processing this, and once I am done, I will go ahead in sieving them. So as the blender is blending, I don't allow it to kind of blend all through. I alternate it on and off, alternate it on and off. I don't want anything to happen to the blender. So that is exactly what I'm doing right here. Guys, can you see that smoothness? Like, can you see that smoothness? Yeah. So I went off camera to blend everything, and here is the consistency of all the guinea corn, the yellow corn, and also the millet. And you can see I have this sieved. Like guys, I have two methods at which I sieve my pap, but today I'm going to be showing you guys just this method. This is just like olden days mother's method. So this is how they do it. We use the sieving what will I call it, net, and use some other thing as in like a bow, and then tie everything under it, and there you go. You just have your thing secured very well, and that is what I have right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start pouring my pap. Will I call it pap? Okay, processed pap. Yeah, it's not yet processed, but I'll go ahead and start sieving them, and I'll be adding them bit by bit. As I'm adding, I'll be adding water, and I will not be adding plenty of water because I don't want everything to, as in when I have less water, it's gonna be very easy for the pap to dry quick. So that is exactly what I'm doing here, and you will see all the chaff that is going to come out from here. If it were to be back home, the chaff is still going to do a lot of work for those that have like say goats, or maybe those that have like chicken. They use it in making feed, as in the chicken feed. Yeah, if I got it right. So Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the sieving. As you can see, I'm putting the water very tiny. I don't want the water to be too much. Okay, so sit back, relax yourself, and continue watching this video till end. If you've not subscribed to my channel at this moment, please consider clicking on that red subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell, comment down below, like this video, and also share with your friends and family. Someone can be in need of this. And if you are in diaspora and you're looking for a blender that can do a good job for you, like seriously, I am recommending this Vitamix. It's very nice. Yeah, the way it crushes everything was so amazing to me. You know, I never knew I can get a blender like this, but I'm happy I ventured into this. Okay, yeah. So I am done with the sieving, and this is the time for me to use the strainer bag to pour everything. Some people have different types of this bag, as in the strainer bag, but this particular one that I have here, I so much like it because it doesn't have plenty holes. In that way, I'm not going to lose much of my pap. It's just going to do the work for me by removing only the water and still leave my pap peacefully for me. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and pour everything bit by bit. As you can see, I'm trying to be careful so that I'm not gonna lose anything, as in lose my pap or maybe pour the pap away. So once I am done, I will tie it and leave it like overnight. The next day I'll go ahead and check it, and it's going to form something like a dough. And with that, you will be able to kind of pack the pap with any container of your choice. Guys, anytime you finish making your pap, remember to put them in the freezer. In that way, it's going to last a longer time for you without getting spoiled. Okay? So the next morning, this is how the pap finally looks like. Yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and start portioning them in different bowls. As you can see, I have my bowls right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and start portioning them in there. And once I am done with that, they goes in direct to my freezer. Yeah, and I don't have anything else to worry about when it comes to pap. Like seriously, we don't usually see fresh pap here in Canada. I don't know if you in where you're staying, but right here We don't usually see fresh pap like this, and I'm so happy that I'm able to make the pap myself. So this is something you can equally try for your family. It's something you can try for your children. You can even make it as a business and be selling it out there and be making small money. Yes, okay. Yeah, and that's it, guys. This is the outcome of my sweat, the outcome of my as in hard work. If I should use the word hard work. Yeah, so that is that, and that is the end of today's video. And if you've watched this video till this moment, and I want to encourage you, if your kids are the type that like having pap, please go ahead and make one. No matter the quantity it is, go ahead and prepare one for them. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video till this moment. Remember to do those remember to do those lovely things, like and share, comment, and also share with family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys definitely in my next video. Bye.